Everybody sing.
Come on, everyone.
Let's all take care with fire.
Fire.
Careful when we use fire. Tochi says it's not a harmless toy, but like a tool instead. Let's all take care with fire.
Fire.
Careful when we use fire.
Fire.
Jose knows it can burn a house or kill a forest dead. Let's all take care with fire. From Kenya to Zimbabwe. So let's not get burned and come and learn from Tochi
Usicheze na moto wewe.
and Jose.
Come on, everybody.
Moto ni poa.
Lakini tu inapotumika ipasavyo.
Moto uko na manufaa yake, lakini hakikisha inafanya kazi inavyostahili.
Tunaita hii kuzuia moto. We would like to tell you about cooking with fire in a safe way. Wear short sleeves or roll them up and keep your hair and clothes away from the fire.
Keep children and animals away from the cooking area. .5 meters physical distance. Cooking with fire is for teenagers and adults only, kiddos.
Turn pot handles away so that no one can bump them.
Always keep a lid nearby. Use it to cover a pan if it catches on fire.
If there is a cooking oil fire, please never use water to put out the fire. It will only make it worse.
Not me.
Use me.
And
now you know.
I think you've burned the vegetables, Jose.
It was for a demonstration, Tochi.
I'll still eat it.